I'll wear my black suit, black tie out in the back. I'll do a strong shot of whiskey straight out the flask. I'll try to make it through without crying, so nobody sees. Yes, you wanna get married. She don't wanna marry me. I remember the night when I wanted to teach you guys this song. So, all right, thanks everyone for tuning in. This is I'm Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song is "Marry Me" by Thomas Rhett. I love playing on the piano. I can barely play the piano, but I love playing it on there. I think it's so fun to play. But also, I thought, you know, I wanted to make a video for you guys on how to play it on the guitar. So, super simple song. There is only one chord that might trip you up, and it's not a normal chord. Well, maybe like two, but for the most part, it's super easy. Okay, so you're gonna need a capo. You're gonna put it on the first fret, and the rest of it's just standard tuning. Okay, so but before I get into the actual like nitty gritty of it, I want to say thanks to everyone who's been subscribing and hitting like and watching the videos. I really appreciate it. To those of you who haven't subscribed or hit like yet, I'd ask you to please do both so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos. Okay, plus it just makes my day. So all right, let's get into this. So the main, like the crux of the song, almost all of it is like 90% of it is G, and I would recommend doing this G because it's easy to switch from that G to this D to D. Okay, so you're gonna do G, D, B minor, A. Okay, that's like the vast majority of the song. Okay, you will also use E minor for the bridge, and you're gonna use what's called like a D over F sharp. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll show you that one in a second. But and then there's one that is A sharp diminished. Okay, so for that one, and I'll show you that one when we get to it. That's like that one. Okay, you know right where that goes. Nobody sees. Okay, so let's go into this. So for the most of the song, for the intro, I would just do strum. So G, D, B minor, A. Okay, and you can play that for most of the song, but you can just do single strums. Okay, listen to that timing. G, D, B minor, A. Okay, so you do that twice. So G, D, B minor, A. Okay, you do that twice. And then when you start going into the first verse, I would palm mute it. I think it sounds a lot better. You're gonna have to kind of figure out how you want to play this song. Because it's on the guitar, it's normally on the piano, right? So I mean, he does play the guitar with it, but it's mostly on the piano. So you know, there's different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you a couple ways I think that you should do it. So you can do "She wants to get married." So on married, you're going to do G, married. Okay, then you do D before you even say she. So married, she wants it perfect. Okay, so do you see where I do D? She wants to get married. So married is G, married. Okay, and then you start doing D like right after married. She wants it perfect. So on perfect, you do B minor, perfect. Okay, then you do A like right after, perfect. She wants her and you keep doing that through. She wants her granddaddy. Okay, so like on daddy, the granddaddy part, you do G, daddy. Okay, and then you go back, you do that quick. Hit to D, okay? Granddaddy, preaching the service. So service, at the very beginning, you're gonna do B minor, service. Okay, then you go to A. Strum, 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 strum. Okay, so it's strum, 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 strum. Strum, 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 strum. Strum, 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 strum. Strum, 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 strum. And it's the same thing if you're not palm muting, if you're just going. Okay, but I think it sounds better if you're palm muting. Okay, so then you're gonna do "She wants magnolias." So magnolias, it's like the second half of the word. You're gonna switch to G on the second half. Magnolias. Okay, then you go to D. Strum, 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 strum. Out in the country. So country is where you do B minor, country. Okay, you go to A right after. Strum. Not too many people. So people is G, people. Okay, then you go to D. save her daddy some money. Some is where you do, like some money is B minor, money. Okay, then you go to A right after. Then you go, oh, then you go, oh. Okay, so you can still palm mute, or you can do single strums, or you can do open strums. On the pre-chorus, it's the same thing. It's G, D, B minor, A. But you do that. Okay, so I'll walk you through it. So it's oh. So an O is G and D. Oh, she got it all. All is B minor. All planned out. Out is A. Okay. Out. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah is G and D. Okay. Yeah. I can see it all. Okay. All is B minor. All right now. Now is A. Okay. Now. All right. And you're gonna let that ring out. And then you're going to go into the chorus. And so the chorus is the same thing, same chord progression, everything, except this part, I actually think it sounds better if you just do single strums, okay? Because it's like soft. I'll wear my black is G, black suit, black. Okay, so you do D right before you say the second black. Black tied out is B minor, out in the back is A, okay? Back, I'll do a strong is G, strong shot of is D, okay? So of right before whiskey, of whiskey, straight. So right after straight is straight out of the is B minor. So straight is out. Straight is B minor. Straight out of the flask. Flask is A, okay? Flask. I'll try to make it as G. Make it through without crying. Okay, crying is D. And then this is where you're going to do A sharp diminished. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put your pointer finger up here. And the good thing is if this is a hard chord for you to do, you can you have a pause before you do any chord. So I would try and during that time try and get there. So you're going to put your first finger, okay, your pointer finger on the first fret on the A string. Then you're going to put your middle finger on the second fret, and this is in relation to the capo, on the second fret on the D string, okay? Then you're going to put your ring finger on the second fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your pinky on the third fret on the G string. Okay, so it's like that. It might sound weird at first, but that's how it is. So nobody sees. Okay, so nobody, and that's the only time you play the A sharp diminished, okay, is on that part. So you're going to do, so nobody, and then you go to C's is B minor, C's, okay. So let's do that one more time. I'll wear my black, so let's see, I'll try to make it through without crying, okay. Then you go, so nobody, that's A sharp diminished is on nobody, so nobody sees, C's is B minor, sorry. C's, yes, you wanna get married. Then you go to, married is G. Married. Then you just do B minor and A with no lyrics. She don't wanna marry me. Then you're just gonna play it, okay? Just the G, D, B minor, A, and then you go, I remember the night when, okay, and you start playing that. You're just gonna do G, D, B minor, A, okay? So you know most of the song right now. The only part you don't know is the bridge. Okay, so it's, but she got on her dress now. Okay, now it's E minor. Now, welcome in the guest now. Okay, this is D over F sharp. Okay, so you're technically supposed to bar it. I think it sounds really good, and I don't actually think it sounds better if you don't bar it. So you're just gonna do a C chord, okay, but you're gonna do it on the lower frets, okay? So you're gonna have your ring finger is gonna go on the A string, all right? In relation to the capo, it's the 5th fret. And then you're gonna put your middle finger on the D string on the 1 fret up from that, so that's gonna be the 4th fret in relation to that, okay? And then you're gonna put just like a C chord, okay? You're gonna have that be on the B string, sorry, I can't remember what it was, and that's gonna be 1, 2, 3 frets up, okay? So 3, 4, 5, okay? In relation to the capo, all right? And that's on the A, D, and B strings, okay? Okay, so you're gonna go, but she got on her dress now. Okay, dress like now. All right, you're gonna do E minor now. Welcome in. That's now is E minor. Welcome in the guest now. Okay, then you go to D over F sharp. Now I could try to find. Okay, find is D. Sorry, G. Find her. Get it off of my chest now. Okay, then you go back to D over F sharp. Now, but I ain't gonna mess it up. Okay, mess is E minor. Mess it up. So wish her the best now. Okay, best is where you do A. Best now. Okay, and at the end of now you do A, just one single strum. Now, so I'm in my black suit, black tied out in the back. That's the whole song. Super easy. Just those two chords might be a little bit tough, but I know you guys can do it. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any requests for other songs you'd like to learn. And it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.